Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today, I know you guys love these types of videos. We're doing a chemical resistance test on a ceramic coating, none other than the AvalonKing Armor Shield IX multi-year ceramic coating. I did a review video of this very recently, so I highly encourage you to go watch that if you haven't already. It's one of the easiest DIY ceramic coatings that I've ever applied. The results are awesome. You get gloss, you get water beading, water sheeting, UV protection, slickness, so on and so forth. But today we're going to be testing just how durable it is by submitting it to a barrage of different chemicals. So it's going to be an interesting video. You know the drill. Without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. But before we go ahead and do so, if you haven't done so yet, make sure that you click the subscribe button that's found under this video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. And while you're at it, hit the bell icon, that's the notifications icon, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video to YouTube. Also, don't worry, I'll drop the links to the Armor Shield IX ceramic coating in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. I have a promo code that's only for the Pan the Organizer viewers, so you'll be able to get your hand on this at a discounted price. You guys were the ones who hooked me up with the AvalonKing Armor Shield IX because on different social media, you highly recommended that I test this out and the results were breathtaking. Today, we have a vehicle that's back for a maintenance wash. So it's the BMW that I used in the tutorial video for the AvalonKing. And basically, we're about 3 months later. We had a previous video, if you want to go watch my channel, on which I cleaned the entire car using the AvalonKing car shampoo. So this one can be used as a snow foam and also as a car shampoo. It did a great job, as you can see. So we cleaned the vehicle, and I also show in that video, if you want to go check it out, the hydrophobic properties. So how the water beading and sheeting are still present after those 3 months, because again, this is a multi-year coating and it will help protect your vehicle against industrial fallout, against tree sap, against bird droppings, against the elements, the UV rays, a bunch of cool stuff. Adds gloss, of course, slickness to the paintwork, basically a very durable coating. And to test for its durability today, after these 3 months, we're going to go ahead and use a bunch of different chemicals. And as you're going to see, we're going to first start by using a bug remover. Then we're going to move on to a tar remover, so for road grime and tar deposits on vehicles. Then we're going to submit it to an iron remover, so this is good for wheels and paint, so remove iron particles that are embedded in the clear coat. Then we're going to use a water spot remover, so another pretty strong chemical, and we're going to finish it off with what I call the paint sealant killer. This is Citrol 266, basically a very strong multi-purpose degreaser on the vehicle. And so, yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome. Let's start right ahead. So what we did, we taped off the hood in 2 sections. So I'll be applying the chemicals on the left-hand side, and I'll be leaving the right-hand side well, basically as the control section, so we won't be doing anything to it. So we can control we can compare the hydrophobic properties, so the water beading and the water sheeting on both sections. And in between chemicals, I'm using CarPro Reset, very intensive shampoo that's specifically made for ceramic coatings to neutralize any residue that the chemicals might leave on. So first order of business is to always wear gloves, guys. You want to protect your hands, of course, when you're detailing vehicles. That's very important. And so now we're going to find out just how durable the Armor Shield IX from AvalonKing is. Let's have a look at the water properties. So if you want to go on the other side. So the water behavior, water beading and water sheeting. So go close, because as you can tell, very, very tight round beads. So pretty awesome stuff. And the water just sheets off the paint extremely easily. So we love ceramic coatings because of the self-cleaning properties also, meaning that the vehicle is a lot easier to clean during maintenance washes. But just look at how quickly you also dry it thanks to the water sheeting. Okay, so for the first chemical, we're going to use a bug remover. So I'm going to work it in with a microfiber towel. We're going to use fresh new towels for each chemical so we avoid cross-contamination. Although these are by no means scientific tests, I'm trying to stay as scientific as possible to give a fair chance to every product to do its thing. We're going to rinse off. Okay, we're going to quickly wash to neutralize residues with CardPro Reset. And as you can tell, the water beading is still there. Absolutely no problems. So it resisted that. So let's move on to round number 2. Let's try this off. All right, so product number 2, tar remover. So this removes any road grime as well, also known as traffic film, or any tar deposits that might be on the vehicle. I can tell that the coating is fighting this off because it just glides on the surface. Okay, let's rinse this off. Do a quick wash to remove any residue. It's very important to remove residue when you're using these chemicals because you want to make sure that you see the actual properties of the coating. And here too, once again, absolutely no problems against the tar remover. So we'll dry the surface. So you can tell just how quickly the surface dries when you're using a leaf blower or car dryer, or even using your microfiber drying towel. That's the beauty of ceramic coatings. Okay, so now iron remover. Work that into the surface. Again, we're going to rinse and wash the surface. Any potential residues. So as you can tell, same exact thing on both sides. Zero affected by any of the products so far. Very, very tight and round water beads on both sides. So on the section where we're using the chemicals and on the control section. And also at the same time, you can see that it resists multiple washes, even with an intense car shampoo, with no problems. Okay, so round number 4, we're going to use a water spot remover. I'm going to first dry the surface. All right. Let's go ahead and rinse. Give it a quick wash. Rinse again. And the water is still sheeting. We're still getting that awesome water beading. The beads are still round, they're still tight. Both sides still look identical. So on the chemical side and on the control section. So let's dry the surface. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting, of course, the Sealant Killer, I call this, because usually this destroys pretty much any type of paint protection. So let's spray this on there. And one cool thing, before I work it in, you can probably tell here, hopefully on the camera, all these little beads. That is the ceramic coating rejecting the chemical. So that's how durable this ceramic coating is. Guys, I'm really impressed. So let's work this in and let's see if there's any damage done to the ceramic coating. Let's rinse this off. Hand wash, again, to remove any residues potentially left over or left behind by the chemical. Let's rinse again. So a very, very slight hit by the Citral 266. But again, it turned, the beads are still there, but there's a lot of sheeting, so it turned more into a sheeting product. That doesn't mean that the protection isn't there anymore. It's still there because the surface is still very, very slick to the touch. So wow, it even resisted Citral 266. Pretty good. So one more time so you can see. So the water is very, very quick to sheet off the panel. And what we're going to do now is see if the protection is still there by drying the surface, and we'll see just how quickly the water goes away. And so there you have it, guys. So it resisted a barrage of chemicals. So bug remover, tar remover, iron remover, water spot remover, and even the crazy strong multi-purpose degreaser. And so obviously you would never submit your paintwork to such an onslaught of different chemicals. However, these four you can potentially use on a ceramic coated car if you want to remove bugs, if you want to remove tar deposits, if you want to remove brake dust, so iron particles that are embedded in the clear coat, or even some water spots that you might have on your clear coat. I never recommend to use Citral on clear coated surfaces, but for the other four, which are maintenance products, as you can see, absolutely no damage done to the AvalonKing Armor Shield IX ceramic coating. So this is some pretty awesome stuff, guys. So I highly encourage that you go watch the maintenance wash video that we did, so the 3-month update. You're going to see what the water behavior looks like, and also the maintenance procedure, or just how simple it is, because basically all you need to do pretty much is use a good shampoo. In that case, I use the AvalonKing car shampoo, which has a great scent, by the way. If you want to check out the Armor Shield IX from AvalonKing, by the way, I have a special promo for the Pan the Organizer viewers. So I'll drop the links to the products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. You can grab multiple kits if you want, just stack up, because that promo is pretty sweet. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this kind of a video. I think it proves that ceramic coatings are very durable, and that adds to the protection. So basically it's a clear finish or a shell, a semi-permanent form of protection on top of your vehicle. So on glass surfaces, on wheels, on your plastics, on the paintwork, on headlights, taillights, basically pretty much all the exterior surfaces of your vehicle, you can protect with Armor Shield IX by AvalonKing. Thumbs up to them, by the way, because this is the easiest DIY ceramic coating I ever applied. If you've never jumped into the ceramic coating world, now is the time, guys. You're gonna see, by the way, go check out my tutorial on the application and my full review video for the product. You're gonna have all the tips and tricks on how to properly apply this, and hopefully get an awesome result like we had with this BMW. If you enjoyed this chemical torture test or chemical resistance test, show me your support, smash the thumbs up button. And guys, I highly recommend, if you haven't done so yet, to click the subscribe button that's found under this video. And that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos, so you can continue to learn more about car detailing, all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. So thanks for being there, thanks for watching, and in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.